आपने अपने चैनल खबर सिनेमा को सब्सक्राइब किया तो कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए आपके अपने चैनल को।
For the team, initially, जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं living in Bombay, हम लोग सब देखते हैं चीजें, बड़ी बड़ी बाइक घूमती है, you see on TV that people are racing. Even me as a kid, it started off the same way. It was a dream, one day become a racer, probably someday, take our country somewhere where people have not been. So basically that was the inspiration when I moved to Dubai. And जब उन्होंने देखे कि यहाँ वहाँ opportunities है, so that's the time. That was my inspiration.
Okay. Next question is, what does NRT stands for?
Sir, NRT, the full form of NRT is Nerds Racing Team, but that's the team actually what we use in the local championships, what we compete in Dubai, in Bahrain. So NRT is basically it's the sister company of the Nerds Racing Team.
I feel like I am blessed, I'm proud that I got the opportunity to be a part of something so great. And I feel like this is a male-dominated profession, and being a woman, if I can be a part of it, and if I can help my husband and my team to get, great winning in each and every race, then I feel it's a very proud moment for me. And being a woman, as you said, if I think I can encourage more women to come forward and do something which you believe in, no matter if it is something that people will feel like it's not meant for women, and it's just riding is for bikes, they are the best for it. So I think all the ladies out there, हम सबको भी हर वो चीज करनी चाहिए जो हमको लगता है कि हम कर सकते हैं. And if we believe in ourselves, then I think everyone starts believing in you. That's what I think. We have the best team. I mean, my husband Wafi Khan and me, and especially with the help of Mr. Gary, we have managed to get the best people for our team, and we are happy that we have both our riders, and we look forward for the best. I think this year the championship can be for NRT. So yeah.
First of all, really nice that so many people came here. It's really an interesting country, and I'm excited that I get an invitation to come here. So thank you. And I'm happy to be here and explore a little bit the country and also the people here.
Hello everybody, thanks also for the invitation. We are happy to be here, as Thomas said. For Phillip Island, for sure, I'm looking forward to this race because we'll be the first of the season. The new challenge with NRT, Indian team, and for sure I'm looking for the best. The best for me will be to win the race. I won few times there, so the strategy is to be ready. We have some tests before. For me, it will be the first time with the new bike, the Yamaha, and for sure I'm looking forward to test the bike and to win the race if possible. I will be so proud, and I think, as Yasmin said, they will be proud of that. So I want to make them happy to have me on board.
A lot. We've been working day and night from Indian side, or let's say Dubai side, European side. We've been working hard to prepare everything, to make deals with sponsorships, from technical to other ones. It's been very hard to do it, but yesterday I was still in Germany, and we finished everything off. Everything is packed up. What will be picked up today and goes in the flight to Australia. But I can tell you, it's not a job that you have to do every day.
मैं किस तरह मोटिवेट करूँगी इसी मेरे लिए to be part of this and to be able to support in whatever little way I can बहुत बड़ी बात है. इनफैक्ट मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा ऑनर है कि उन लोगों ने मुझे यहाँ पे बुलाया है. That's actually very, I mean, it's an inspiring step that they've taken, क्योंकि ये sports यहाँ पर इतना seriously नहीं लिया जाता है in terms of a career. तो बहुत ही एक कहते हैं ना जैसे न्यू अरीना खुलता है लोगों के लिए, तो यहाँ पे टैलेंट बहुत है इंडिया में, पर उसको to pursue it as a career कोई चांस या कोई प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं मिलता. So it's a great honor that they've, you know, Wafi and Yasmin, they've come up with this and they're supporting you know, Indians and Indian teams, and they're supporting all those bikers in India who've never ever got an opportunity like this.
Ma'am, आपकी favorite sports क्या है?
मेरे सारे favorites, actually, you know what, I have a lot of respect for athletes. Even जब मैं childhood में, during my childhood, my mom used to put us in a lot of sports as kids. So we were into skating, we were into badminton, we were into swimming. मुझे लगता है कि इंसान की ग्रोथ के लिए मेंटल डेवलपमेंट, इमोशनल डेवलपमेंट इन एवरी वे पॉसिबल, स्पोर्ट्स इज वेरी वेरी क्रूशियल एंड बहुत जरूरी है. एक यू नो जब बचपन से ही एक जब आपको वो एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता है कि आप अपने डिफरेंट यू नो लाइकिंग्स एंड इंटरेस्ट को एक्सप्लोर कर सके, एंड स्पोर्ट्स एक्चुअली कीप्स यू वेरी मेंटली फिट, इमोशनली फिट, इट मेक्स यू स्ट्रॉन्गर ऑल वे राउंड.
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और बहुत गर्व की बात है कि पहली बार इंडिया वर्ल्ड चैम्पियनशिप में पार्टिसिपेट करेगी. इस स्पोर्ट्स को कभी मौका नहीं मिला लोगों को, यहाँ इंडियंस जो इतने अच्छे बाइकर्स होते हैं उनको कभी प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं मिला यू नो टू एक्सप्लोर दिस अरीना फॉर देमसेल्व्स. सो इट्स अ ग्रेट प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर ऑल इंडियंस एंड इट्स अमेजिंग टू सी हाउ पेट्रियोटिक दीज टू आर. आई मीन इफ यू सी दे आल्सो वेयर द बाइकर्स, दे हैव लाइक यू नो लाइक ट्राई कलर ऑन द यूनिफॉर्म्स एंड ऑल एज वेल. So I think it's a great initiative.
Personally, आपको बाइक चलाना कितना पसंद है?
मैं बाइक नहीं चलाती हूँ unfortunately, but again there are a lot of people that are crazy about bike rides and all, and I think that's amazing.
Sir, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
That's it, just a wish.
Thank you.
Yeah,
We are just glad and we are thankful for Vani for being here and supporting NRT team.
Global Advertiser for innovative outdoor solutions.
Global as a company, it has never compromised on its service quality and commitment, and that is the reason our clients do keep on coming again and again to us for our service. The mission of the company is to rise on the graph of betterment for every campaign handled by us.
Global Advertiser for innovative outdoor solutions.